Hello everyone. Today we are going to make chicken 65 biryani. It's a scrumptious dish and the recipe which I am sharing today is absolutely a restaurant style. So do try this and let us know how it turned out. So let's start this preparation. So for making this biryani, I'm taking 500 grams of biryani rice, and this will be thoroughly washed and soaked in water for at least 1 hour. After this, we need some ingredients for marinating chicken. So we are going to take 1.5 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce or paste, whatever is available, salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of tandoori chicken masala, and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1.5 teaspoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste. And here I'm taking 1 kg chicken. I have taken chicken legs and chicken thigh and breast pieces. And now we are going to marinate this chicken in these ingredients. So first we are going to take 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and we are going to add to the chicken. And then 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. And then we are going to mix all the ingredients to marinate the chicken thoroughly. Now I'm adding food color, red color, and this is absolutely optional, but it's okay to use it once in a blue moon. It adds kind of attraction to the dish, and that is the reason that all restaurants use the food color in their preparation. Now I'm going to separate the leg pieces and the thigh pieces, and the remaining breast piece are going to be fried. So now I'm frying the chicken pieces, and you don't need to fry them fully. You don't need to 100% fry them. We are going to fry it only 50%, and after that we are going to take it out. So these are the chicken pieces which we fried, and these are 50% fried, not fully fried. And now we are going to make the Akki or biryani gravy, and for this we need half a teaspoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds or shahi zira, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of chicken tandoori masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and you also need the red chili sauce, which is around 1.5 tablespoon. So now we are going to take along with this around 64 grams of curd or yogurt, and half a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, and then half a cup of curry leaves, and we also need 6 to 7 slitted green chilies. Now we are going to chop coriander leaves. And then we are going to chop mint leaves. And now we are going to make Akki, or the main gravy for biryani. For making that, we will take the same dish in which we did marination for the chicken, and we are going to keep the chicken pieces aside, and in the same dish with the same masala we are going to add these ingredients, and then we are going to add curd, and we are going to add 40 grams of fried onion and chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves and curry leaves, and then we are going to mix it. And then to this mix we are going to add the masala which we get from the fried chicken pieces, the leftover masala in the oil, you can use that. And then we are also going to add the fried chicken pieces. Also, we are going to add the oil which is left over after frying the chicken, and that leftover oil we are using half in this and half we will put in the rice. And this is around 20 grams of oil which we mix in this akhani. And now we will take the cooking pot. We will put 4 bottles of water. Each bottle is around 500 ml. And then we are going to boil this water on high flame. Once the water starts boiling, we will add the soaked rice. And then we are going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. We don't need to cook this much. You can cook only for 3 to 4 minutes, and then you can strain the rice. We also need 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, and 30 grams of fried onion, and 1 medium size chopped capsicum. You can take red or green, anything. Now we will take the cooking pot and we will make a layer of rice. After making the layer, we are going to add the marinated chicken gravy. Now to this marinated chicken gravy, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and the capsicum which we took, half of that we are going to add here and half we will fry it. And now we are going to put the remaining rice on this. Make sure that you fully cover the gravy. And now we are going to add the leftover oil of the fried chicken, and then we will put some fried onions. And now we are going to cook this rice on high flame for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will reduce the flame to minimum. It cook for another 20 to 25 minutes. Now we will take the marinated chicken pieces, and to this we will add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, and then we are thoroughly mixing it, and then we are going to fry it. Make sure that you fry this chicken pieces until they turn crispy. Now you can see it turned crispy, so I am taking it out. And similarly, I will also fry the thigh pieces. And now you can see that our thigh pieces are thoroughly cooked and they turned out to be crispy. So I'm taking it out. We are going to place these chicken pieces on top of the biryani rice. Now we are going to take the same dish, and in that the leftover masala is there, and we are going to mix the slitted green chilies and the leftover half capsicum, and we are going to mix that in the masala and fry it. After this, we will also mix the curry leaves in the same dish with the leftover masala, and then we are also going to fry the curry leaves. Make sure that you always fry the curry leaves separate because they get fried very fast. And we are going to use this for garnish. So our biryani, chicken 65 biryani is ready. It looks amazing, and it turned out to be very perfect. So now we are going to dish out this. You can make this chicken 65 biryani on special occasions or any get together. Definitely, I give you 100% guarantee that all your guests will love this dish. So now once we dish out this, we are going to put the chicken pieces on top of the chicken 65 biryani. And then we are going to put the fried green chilies, capsicum and curry leaves on this. So guys, this is it. Our chicken 65 biryani is ready. Absolutely stunning. And do try this. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you so much for watching.